Hey everybody, this video I'm actually pretty excited about. What we have here is the pinning tray that I won in the Helpful Lockpickers 15,000 subscriber giveaway. This is a tray that came from Lockfall Labs. And I'll put a link in the description to their website. Designed by Tumbler. Tumbler's a pretty badass picker. Lockfall.com is the website where they make these, and wow, that thing is actually stunning. I just want to show you a comparison of a pinning tray that I made, and then the one that Lockfall made. That thing is sweet, and they got logo and stuff on there. When I found out I won, I didn't have a logo, so I had to get with a buddy of mine with straight shooter gear to design a logo for me, and that turned out pretty amazing. And now here's part of the video where I probably screw it up. I did want to test it out to see, I'm sure it works or whatever. Just wanted to try to gut a lock, so of course we got to pick a lock. So we got a Schlage. I wanted to do something easy, so I was gonna do maybe like a Key Marker or Medico or something, but that too easy. Let's go with the Schlage. Make sure something that we actually get open. Hopefully, anyway. Yeah, I had some time to kill the other day. I went to the Restore store. Got these. I think they were. I think they actually charged me a lot of money, like $2 a piece for these, which is kind of a lot for the Restore store, but still not bad. Okay, got a false set going there. And just looking for a pin to give me some counter rotation here. And we're open, all right. So, didn't go as fast as I hoped it would, but still open. And to be careful I don't walk it back because I have no key. There's where the pinning tray is gonna shine here. Store all the little small parts. And grab a follower. Alright. Grab a key blanket, stick in here. And pull our key pins out. And I guess we'll put our key pins and put them right here so we can stack them up real nice. Alright, now let's get the drivers here. Now these Schlage, normally we're going to have 4 spools at a standard usually. So pin 1 is a spool, 2 is a spool, 3 is a spool, 4 is a spool, and 5 is a standard. Alright. And then just all the springs, nothing fancy about those. But we got this nice pinning tray here, and you can actually get everything in there nice and organized. Set the plug right there. Alright. So there's a Schlage picked and gutted, and this pinning tray is friggin' awesome. So I'd like to definitely thank the helpful Lockpicker for doing his giveaway, and I can't believe, since playing cards are involved, that I actually won anything. That's might be a first in my life. And anyway, and check out Lockfall Labs. I'm going to put the link in the description, and Straight Shooter Gear, who did the logo. And that'll do it for now, guys. We'll talk to everybody later.